New York and Ontario, January 29, 2025. Over 5 feet of lake effect snow buries New York towns as multi-day event windows down, while cold front to bring bursts of snow and more squalls to midwestern Ontario, Canada. This crazy winter event caused a lot of chaos in the New York and Ontario regions of Canada. In fact, not only heavy snow, strong gusts of wind also worsened the extreme weather experienced by the two regions simultaneously. Fast-moving storm system is rapidly moving through the northeast, bringing the combinations of snow, wind, and risk of snow squalls particularly across the interior and portions of New York. Watertown and Ithaca, New York, were hit the snow with 9 inches already piled up and possibly another 5 to 10 inches. A winter storm warning remains in effect there until 1 a.m. Thursday. Strong winds gusting up to 45 miles per hour will make travel treacherous. Watertown and Ithaca has already received over 60 inches of snow this winter. Wednesday commute is expected to be extremely difficult, especially where the winter storm warnings are in effect east and southeast of Lake Ontario in central New York. While some areas like Boston are seeing lighter snow or flurries on Wednesday morning, a brief break is expected in the afternoon before another wave of snow pushes through, impacting areas along the Interstate 95 corridor and New York's Hudson Valley. The NWS also issued a winter storm warning for northern and southern Oneida County at 4 a.m. Eastern Time Wednesday. The warning will last until 1 a.m. Eastern Time Thursday and will affect cities including Boonville, Rome, and Ithaca. Forecasters predict between 3 and 6 inches or additional snow accumulations with the heaviest snowfall to occur across the southern Tech Hill. There will also be wind gusts of up to 50 miles per hour, mainly in southern Oneida County. The heavy snowfall will impact travel for New Yorkers in affected counties. Roads will be slippery and there is a possibility of fallen tree branches. In a winter storm warning issued shortly before 10 a.m. Eastern Time Wednesday, the NWS said Oswego, Jefferson, and Lewis counties will also get between 3 and 6 inches of additional snow accumulations with wind gusts of up to 45 miles per hour. Affected cities include Oswego, Watertown, and Lowville. The NWS said in a winter storm warning issued shortly after 3:20 a.m. Eastern Time Wednesday that northern and southern Herkimer, northern and southern Fulton, and Hamilton counties will get between 3 and 6 inches of additional snow accumulations and wind gusts of up to 50 miles per hour. Meanwhile, Environment Canada says a large chunk of southern Ontario is expected to get a brief burst of heavy snow and local blowing snow on Wednesday morning as the cold front moves through. Winds are expected to gust to near 70 km per hour and may result in local blowing and drifting snow impacting the morning commute, the weather agency said. The weather advisory is in place for Toronto and the GTA of the Niagara area up to Guelph, Kitchener, and east across Peterborough, Kingston, and Ottawa.
I think that was problem.
Visibility may be suddenly reduced at times in heavy snow, Environment Canada said in its weather advisory. Surfaces such as highways, roads, walkways, and parking lots may become icy and slippery. Environment Canada is warning people to prepare for quickly changing and deteriorating travel conditions. Between 5 to 10 centimeters fell on Tuesday evening in parts across southern Ontario. The brief bursts of heavy snow may add an additional 2 to 5 centimeters in some areas, the weather agency said.
Well, there's snow on one side.
The London, Ontario to Barrie and Owen Sound area has a snow squall warning in place as bursts of heavy flurries along the cold front will give way to snow squalls of Lake Huron and Georgian Bay. Snowfall amounts of 15 to 25 centimeters are expected, the advisory said. Global News Meteorology said thundersnow was detected as a sharp, Arctic cold front moved across southern Ontario Monday night into Tuesday morning. In a Facebook group, people posted reports of hearing thunder and lightning in Woodstock, Hamilton, and Simcoe. One woman posted a photo of Sable Beach, which had received 30 centimeters of snow over a 24-hour period. The photo showed the well-known Sable Beach sign and snowdrift reaching up to a nearby stop sign. To prepare for a winter storm, consider weatherproofing your home. Make sure you have a smoke detector and a battery-operated carbon monoxide detector near the heat source. For your car, get the radiator system serviced or check the antifreeze level yourself with an antifreeze tester. You should also replace your windshield wiper fluid with a wintertime mix and check that your car tires have enough tread and air pressure.
Yeah.